Hey, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've cracked the code to the ultimate plant-based diet for weight loss in 2024. Get ready to shed those pounds effortlessly. Let me hit you with a shocking statistic. Did you know that more than 40% of adults in the US are obese? It's time to make a change, and a plant-based diet might just be the answer. So, what exactly is a plant-based diet? Simply put, it's a diet that focuses on whole, minimally processed plants like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. And the best part? It's incredibly effective for weight loss. Now, let's talk about the struggles people face when trying to lose weight with traditional diets. Counting calories, feeling hungry all the time, it's a real challenge. But fear not, because a plant-based diet offers a sustainable solution. The science behind why a plant-based diet works for weight loss is fascinating. With high fiber content, low calorie density, and nutrient-rich foods, you can eat more while consuming fewer calories. It's a win-win. Plus, plant-based diets are linked to improved metabolic health and reduced risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. But here's the real kicker: success stories. People just like you and me have achieved incredible weight loss results by adopting a plant-based diet. It's inspiring to see the transformation and the newfound confidence that comes with it. Imagine dropping those extra pounds and feeling healthier and more energetic every day. Let's delve deeper into the benefits. Plant-based diets are not only effective for weight loss but also promote overall health and well-being. They're rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that support immune function and reduce inflammation. Studies show that plant-based eaters tend to have lower body mass indexes and better overall health outcomes. In conclusion, the benefits of a plant-based diet for weight loss and overall health are undeniable. Not only does it help you shed those extra pounds, but it also sets you up for long-term health and well-being. It's a lifestyle change worth making. And before we wrap up, remember to hit that subscribe button for more plant-based diet tips and inspiring weight loss success stories. Share your journey and questions in the comments below. Let's support each other on this journey to a healthier, happier life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.